In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads language settings properly. Setting the right language preferences can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns, ensuring that your ads are shown to audiences who will understand them best. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can make the most of your ad efforts. First, head over to the Google Ads website. This is the hub where all your advertising management happens. If you're not logged in yet, you will see an option to sign in at the top right corner. Click on that sign in button and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage, which serves as your dashboard for navigating all Google Ads features. Next, look for the Campaigns tab. This tab is crucial because it organizes all your advertising campaigns in one place. Click on it to view an overview of all the active and paused campaigns you have. From here, you're going to want to fine-tune your settings to match your advertising strategy. Now focus your attention on the settings link, which you can find next to each of your campaigns. Clicking on settings takes you into a section where you can manage a variety of elements critical to the performance and targeting of your ads. Here you can adjust budgets, bid strategies, and importantly, the language settings. Once you've clicked into the settings of your chosen campaign, scroll down until you see an option labeled Languages. Click on this. The language settings allow you to specify the languages your target audience speaks. It's a simple but powerful tool. Choosing the right languages ensures your ads are seen by those who are more likely to engage with them, thus enhancing your campaign's effectiveness. When you click on languages, you'll see a list of languages that you can add for your ads. You can select multiple languages that your audience might speak. Take a moment to think about the regions you're targeting and make strategic choices that align with the locations and demographics you aim to reach. Once you've made your selections, remember to review and save your changes. These adjustments won't take effect until you hit that save button. This step is crucial as it synchronizes your campaign with your updated settings, ensuring everything runs accordingly. And that's it, you've successfully configured the language settings for your Google Ads campaign. This straightforward adjustment can lead to a significant impact on the reach and relevance of your campaigns. By making sure your ads speak the same language as your audience, you're paving the way for higher engagement and better results. Keep leveraging these settings as your campaign and audience evolve over time. Thanks for tuning in and happy advertising.